In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do Michael Rosen's clicking sound from his video, Hot Food. Till it's cool, just cool into the mouth. Nice. Okay, so here's what you do. You take your tongue, and you put it like right here in the roof of your mouth, right near your teeth. It's like, that's basically it. It's like you might get it wrong a few times, but see, it's just like you can put it anywhere from here. You definitely can't reach back in your tonsils. Oh jeez, I do not like that. Anyway, that's how you do Michael Rosen's cookie sound. Fudge.